Minister Nongthong Biren launches Pradhan Mantri Dialysis Program. Patients to receive free dialysis under the program. Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyamkumar warns of evicting encroachers of reserved forest land if they do not vacate within a month. Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam distributes grant to government-aided and private colleges, stresses on the need to familiarize and clear the confusion about the vocational courses. Congress spokesperson Kumukcham Joy Kishan demands the state government to clarify if the ceasefire between NSC and IM and Indian government includes Manipur. And UNC President Gaidun Kama asserts that there will be a political solution soon to the framework agreement between the government of India and NSC and IM. Hello and a very warm welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. With an aim to help poor patients suffering from renal or kidney disease in the state, Chief Minister Nongthong Biren today launched the Pradhan Mantri National Dialysis Program at the mini auditorium of Jenims Imphal. The function was jointly organized by Directorate of Health Services Manipur and SHS National Health Mission Manipur. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister said this is part of the 100-day program of the new BJP-led government. He appealed to doctors, nurses and hospital staff to maintain a cordial relationship with patients. He mentioned that people's respect and importance shown to doctors and nurses should never be let down. He further said that medical practitioners should find out on why people do not trust government hospitals for medical treatment. Apart from Jenims and RIMS, the government would start a Pradhan Mantri Dialysis Program in all the district hospitals of the state soon. Highlighting the various schemes and programs initiated under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he said that various welfare schemes have been implemented to reach out to the poorest of the poor in the country. He promised to make updated equipments available at the hospitals. Modern technology is being used to treat neuro and liver-related disease. Equipments have also started arriving. It is a big step of the government to make the dialysis that are expensive at private hospitals available at affordable prices at RIMS and Jenims. Chief Minister Nongthong Biren expressed happiness that these programs under Prime Minister Narendra Modi will ease the pain of the downtrodden. Minister of Health and Family Welfare Y. Jayantakumar, Parliamentary Secretary Health and Family Welfare S. Subhash Chandra, Commissioner Health Sumant Singh, Director RIMS, R.K. Dinesh, Director Jenims, L. Devin and medical practitioners attended the function.
Doctor health medical professional compared to the health extraordinary others. Looking professionally by this. Human trust in the period and the language for the trip of one of the now the doctor is a bit of a lie. I am not a native showing. She's a hospital, that money in the scene, but then she's a hospital. A the operation done man. What do we go to the doctor? We see the part both of them. Why not? I got all the other proteins, I don't know what
Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyamkumar has warned of evicting the encroachers of reserved forest land if they do not vacate within a month. He was speaking in relation to an arrest of a person who was cutting down the trees at Langol Reserved Forest today. Speaking further, the minister said a tree plantation campaign will be carried out from the month of July. There is already a restriction in place to stop felling of trees in order to protect the nature. He emphasized the need of public support support in growing trees. Shyam Kumar asserted that steps will be taken at the earliest to fill the vacant positions of Forest Department and also set up a forest protection force. Mandingbam Ibocho, an employee at the power substation in Iroisemba, was arrested for cutting trees during an inspection by the minister this morning. He is currently in custody of the Forest Department and legal actions will be taken up against him. Minister Shyam Kumar also instructed officials of the Forest Department to inspect all reserved forest lands on time.
Adugi koi na thari me na koi pantha thara kanda hon na magi pandam do maintenance jaw to kadi masu jati ba udi lo ta thamba yaro idana uji mayam loi ure si Manipur sing ma si kokthra mayam sing si mathang chahi da ki koi na ubu khara phangane ba mamang to ke forest department koi na maran se bi yade kai ha da department mayam bodi head of the department na phana sincerely work to kanda moi follow to ne ba aduna sum asoi ba khala ben uji asoi ba tam tam sum thoi aduna you will take another 1 or 2 months sing da laiba mi sing na adagi Beli ki jaga laiba koi ki any jati amana maitai voisino tribal voisino musman voisino u ai lamne ai patale na koi na u yan thapa tawbe yaro adi ai patale ne dana koi koning leba koi kothok pus yaro kari gina habada they enjoy there nai patale na dum oizo singa dum sai singa dum oizo singa dum kothok dum leizo kesu kai dia.
Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam today distributed a lump sum grant to government-aided and private colleges for implementation of vocationalization of higher education under Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan RUSA. The program organized by the Department of University and Higher Education Manipur was held at the SSA Hall, Babupara. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister stressed on the need to familiarize and clear the confusion about the vocational course since there are already many other vocational and technical education. He said the scheme of vocationalization of higher education should be utilized considering the need of state and prioritizing the requirement in view of the socio-economic and political construct. He also emphasized on the need to develop and upgrade colleges in the state with latest update through a holistic approach. Commissioner Higher and Technical Education H. Dilip said, the vocationalization of higher education is very important and is also a very challenging task. With the syllabus already set for level 4 and 5 adapting the national framework with industrial partner as service providers, 40 colleges have been identified through mapping. These colleges will take up the following main trades: IT, ITES, fishery, floriculture, horticulture, tourism and hospitality, retail management, fruit preservation tech, food processing technology, computer hardware technology, rubber manufacturing technology, medicinal plant, journalism and automotive. The program was participated by Director University and Higher Education B. John Langtingkuma, officials, principals and teachers of the colleges. Congress spokesperson and Thangmeiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan has demanded the state government to clarify if the ceasefire between NSC and IM and Indian government includes Manipur. He was speaking on the occasion of the foundation laying ceremony of Naharo Laishemba Club at Thangmeiban Sinam, Laikai. Speaking further, he said NSC and IM cadres had recently killed 2 civilians at Ukrul. The government needs to clarify why there are designated camps of the NSC and IM when ceasefire does not extend to Manipur. Questioning the government as to why the monsoon session of Manipur Legislative Assembly has not been called yet, Joy Kishan demanded the government to call the session at the earliest and present a budget for a debate. The foundation laying ceremony was also attended by many people from the locality.
Lalalup ama pena bukhana bada Manipur Shwarta interest ka bathabak to way yaroi have say koi house the MLA humbu magna ware omalo se koi tangai fadabani extend to dragadi designated campsing se kamaina hangan bano have say makoina shengna haibam thui police na makoi hoji yengdru kari yengdru lady parliament government BJP government central government asu BJP ni state asu BJP ni Karigadamakta Misham gi Prajagi Punshi Kanbangam Dabano. Misham Praja Haliba Makoi Matakta Action Local Pakari Gingam Dabano Habase Prajamayam Langtan Gaepa Wapum Malakle Aduna Atuwo Matamda Assembly Session Kovadarkar Oide.
President of United Naga Council UNC Gaidon Kamai has asserted that a framework agreement signed between the Government of India and NSC and IM will soon put into action and a political settlement will be attained. He was speaking at the Remembrance Day program observed to pay tributes to martyrs who lost their lives for Naga causes and issues. He said the more than 60 years struggle by the Nagas for its future will bear fruit soon. He also said in these 60 years of struggle, there were lots of bloodsheds and violence have occurred. He said when a political settlement is finalized by the framework agreement, the dreams of the Nagas will be fulfilled. The Remembrance Day observation was organized by All Naga Students Association Manipur Ansam at Ansam Memorial Park in Kapan village in Chandal district. The martyrs were given gun salute as a mark of respect and family members of the martyrs were felicitated by Ansam on the occasion.
Now people have started asking, questioning the final agreement of Nagas. But under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and our chief negotiator, Arthur Kalonser, T.H. Muiba, our framework agreement will translate into political reality at earliest. Till we achieve our cherished political aspiration, let's all united and let's stand firm to welcome the political settlement.
Self-styled commander of the banned KCP Lamphil fraction surrendered along with his weapons to the Chief Minister today. He is identified as a 45-year-old Soraisam Madhuchandra, also known as S.M. Maitai, son of S. Dinamani from Thangmaiban Yumnam Laikai. He had joined the outfit under KK Nganba in 2003. The arms and ammunition deposited by him include 2 9mm pistols with magazines and 9 live rounds. He arrived in Imphal from Burma camp in Dimapur 10 days ago. Addressing media persons at the Chief Minister's Secretariat, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren termed the surrender as a big achievement for the government, which is taking up various programs to eradicate insurgency from the state. Calling as achievement of the new government, he praised the surrendered cadre for joining the mainstream after having faith in the new government. Chief Minister lauded a bold step taken by the militant to shun violence and to join the path of peace and prosperity, which would help progress and development in the state. The government would provide skill development programs to the surrendered militants that would enable them to find sustainable means of livelihood. Chief Minister said that the skill development programs would be starting from the 30th of this month and would be provided free of cost to those surrendered cadres. He further said that those who had surrendered 4 years back would be allowed to stay at their respective homes. The homecoming ceremony was attended by DGP Manipur Shri L.M. Kaute, Additional Chief Secretary Home Dr. J. Suresh Babu and other top-ranking police officials.
Surrender Toraga Mamanga Sahi Mari Suna Lerushing, the Mokoi Makata Namu, the Kemta, Leroi Mokoi Mayuenda, Alalaga, Moigi, Hingana Begi, Lambi, Kadeke, the woman of Pambe, Pangani. High division to Kanakana Gumba, Mogi Marta, Vocational Training Gumba, Skill Development, Tonging the Konimo Legadimado, Gomena, free course, Mobi training period, Mogi Chanaba, self-sustained Manaba, family Pujam and Nanabamasa.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren flagged off a road trip India to Spain from Hotel Classic Grande Imphal today. The 8-member team led by 2 female will travel a total of 16 countries including Myanmar, Thailand, China, Mongolia, Russia, etc. in 63 days covering about 20,000 kilometers. Embark Motor World Private Limited, a Mumbai-based company, is organizing the trip. Wishing the team a safe journey, Chief Minister asked the team to highlight the potential and distinct natural beauty of Manipur to the outside world. He appealed the team to spread the message of country's unique identity of unity in diversity. Founder and director Embark, Mrs. Medha Joseph said that the objective of the road trip is to have an experience of different countries' cultures, time zones, weather, etc. Agriculture, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister Shri V. Hankalian, along with Agriculture Director Rajendra and AFO Kulabidhu, distributed fertilizers to the farmers at the godown of Agriculture Lamphel Part, Imphal today. According to an official report from its department, there is sufficient stock of fertilizers in the godown for the farmers of Manipur, and more would be transported from outside the state in future. There would be sufficient and no shortage of fertilizer for the farmers of Manipur. Farmers of the state can get fertilizer regularly at any time from the Department of Agriculture as and when they require it. Unknown persons have removed the iron plate from the temporary bridge at Nongada on Imphal-Ukhrul Road. The iron plates were found missing early this morning, and some plates were found sunk in the river. According to Impact News sources, the temporary bridge was constructed since construction of the new Nongada bridge had already begun. People residing near the bridge had also complained of noises during vehicle movement over the bridge to the construction authority. The authority later repaired the bridge this morning after reaching an agreement with the people of the locality. Program Manager of Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Person Manipur, located near Singdamai Chingamathak Pishum How Ground Moirang Thim Premier, Vice President Lenin Hirom and Joint Secretary Oinam Bir Kumar have been awarded National Excellence Award 2017 in the individual and group category by the National Platform for Disabled Rights and Duties New Delhi for their contributions to the welfare of the differently abled persons. Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons Manipur was awarded in the group category of the 13th of this month in New Delhi. It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. Nungai Pangal Kuno has been inundated by water after a dam at Nungai Makalaikai under Lilong Assembly constituency collapsed. The front portions of the Ningthing Kong Dam, also known as a small dam, collapsed a few days ago, and water from Imphal River submerged the locality. More than 400 houses have been inundated by water. People are taking shelter by the roadside. Apart from Imphal River, water from Taubal River has also flooded the village. Agricultural land and fish farms have been flooded with water. The flood is going to cause stoppage of agricultural activities for a couple of months. On the other hand, people are facing inconveniences since they could not take away their belongings on time. Edible items are not available as well. Till date, no officials of the relevant department have arrived. Member of Lilong Zilla Parishad has provided drinking water, and SDO has provided 20 bags of rice so far. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, locals have expressed dissatisfaction over the local MLA for not visiting them.
Karigumba po sarkar ki makai dagi lakhide isagi laifam laitavani na lairai da khanjari dil tripal a imphan metai dagi wajar mi no mai lupa humdra da aduga khallemi upai laite sing hujik changai pho piraktre lambi chu lakham laitre
local MLA dagi di pire e haibadi tai adu boy khogi khutta di phangide
sarkar ki mekai dagi natraga local MLA ki mekai dagi kan amba karigumba mating ma pho hujik pho bud lakti maram manduna khoi yamna awaba mo oi lere Maruina Sarkar Banda by Koshi Manipur Manung the Sandraba, Hive of Hope Dai, I appeal jogging.
Da machine thing when I drum sang but talk but prita later. Machi Sakana Karigumbi and Jambite, Prankaya Lukre, Humla, Yunkaya Luptana, Awab Nangaba, Lady came the Laiba, there Mamasianaba, Anna, I put it Puna Piro and Bakarigumba Malay, the way out of Karigumba, Sakana, Masika, and Sante, I quite your Jujuk Ladiba. Emerina Sumachigi Karigumba, Yang Bakopa Late.
Jose any legendary Pamasi, Lilong Nungai, Kuno Haribum Pamaduni, Miyagi Mimando Ubidiba, Shingi Ipagasi, Hoi Loktak Pat Dunate, Hokiba Numit Kanadi, Mamang the Sukiba, no Maram Orega, Impal Ture, Imai Hekalapa, Galoina, इम्फाल तुरेन थांना लेरिबा निंथिबी खोंग हाइना खांगलेरिबा खोंग अमगी दाम की सरुक की ममाई काई खिबदगी चेंसलकबा इसिंगना खुला सिगी मियामना गसी इसिंग गी इचाउगी अवाबा सि मायोकनबनी इसिंग इचाउ गी मायोकनबा ngasi ka thana numit taraga mangani henjalaklaba phawda mari leinaba department amasung lainga ki maikai dagi karigumba polama phawu mating piba laite haina mafam sigi meyamna phongdorali asugumba tanja asida manipur government amasung mari leinaba department na ngahak ngahak ki oiba